Hey everyone, it is time for our next Tara's must-have. What's a Tara's must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. And this one's back in stock. And we've added new seasonal colors. But if you have not seen our 4-quart pasta bowl set, salad bowl set, fruit bowl set, any bowl set, check this out. 4-quart total capacity. It's truly one of the biggest bowls that we are able to make. This is our old world. It has the gorgeous floral detail on the inside, the pops of the yellow flowers on the outside, that gorgeous rope detail, and look at the silhouette of this. Paella, pasta, I'm telling you, this is the bowl when company's coming, when you have your big family and you want to be serving something absolutely delicious that you're going to reach for every time. And then it frustrates me when I have a great bowl and I don't have the coordinating matching pieces to serve from it. So look at how beautiful our bamboo servers are with, of course, that gorgeous stoneware tip accent. Love these, you guys. These are so beautiful. And look how gorgeous that is to get in and out with whatever you're serving. Available in old world and floral lace. And I'm going to go to the oven. Why? Because as beautiful as this is, you don't have to treat it like your fine china. Put it through the paces. Take your mixer and mix right in there. Bake a cake right in there. Or come from the oven up to 500 degrees so you literally can broil in this. I'm going to give that a little hip check. And bring out this gorgeous 4 quarts of pasta. Look at how beautiful that is. Even heating all the way around. And the best part is you don't have to pre-treat it. You don't have to spray it. Naturally non-stick. So I can literally pull that pasta bake right away from the sides. Anything ooey gooey, anything sticky, you don't have to worry about it. That's one of the beauties of cooking with Temptations. And then keeping cold things colder longer. Whether this is going to be for Thanksgiving, Christmas, your holidays, your summer salads, this is a seasonless bowl that takes you from January to December with all of those great things that we're always looking to serve and we're always looking to have out as a beautiful presentation. Don't forget, we also have pumpkin patch. So again, one of our seasonal patterns. We also have a couple of other seasonals. Where can you find this? Over at temp-tations.com. Where can you see all your colors and pattern choices? Over at temp-tations.com. Head on over there and check it out. What we have brought in is what we have for the season.